gorgeous, welcome to Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally, and this is Hema. Alright, this time is going to be the festive time once again. Christmas is coming, New Year is coming, Pongal is coming for Tamil people. Alright, and hence now it's going to be silks. These are such beautiful silk sarees, soft silk sarees, and handloom pure silk sarees. Alright. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link which will straight away leads to you to that page. Such a beautiful color. The combination is so nice. See how beautiful the sari is. Lovely sari. And this is the pallu part. It's a colored zari. And this is the blouse part. Such a beautiful concept. And one more color. I have this blue color. Whoever is looking for this different color combination can go for this. Such an awesome colors. These are all something really unique and something really special. And these are all without borders. Who are all looking for without borders can go for these saris. Alright, such a beautiful purple color sari with a contrast matching navy blue pallu and blouse. Such a beautiful sari this is. And once again, red are into trends and more into wands. People ask me for red. It is a maroonish red color. And see, this is the sari. And I'll open the pallu and show. Sari as such is so beautiful. These are all simple soft silk saris. And this is the pallu part. Alright. And this comes with a beautiful blouse. So this is how it looks. And once again, all are different colors with different combinations. How pretty the combinations are. Such a beautiful sari. See this sari. This is the sari portion, and this is the pallu portion. See the color combination, it's so nice. All blouse comes as a plain blouse. And see, this is a very new concept. I've got two different colors in this. Open this and show you guys. So pretty, beautiful saris. These are all of little economical ranges, but still, the sari is a pure handloom sari, and the silk is a pure silk. These are all okay. And see, this is the sari as such, and this is the pallu part. Such a beautiful sari. These are all blouse comes this way. Alright, and one more color is this purple matching. You can log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Else click the above link which will straight away leads to you to that page under the heading pure handloom silk. Alright, and see this. So nice subtle saris. Soft, right from morning till night you can wear the sari. Because the sari flow and feel is so nice and light. You can gift your mom, you can wear it by yourself, and whoever is looking for really lightweight sari can go for this. These episodes are full of lightweight, and the concepts and the colors are entirely different. One comes with maroon with blue, maroon with pink. Now this maroon with a different shade. What shade it is? It is a very nice different color, pale orange, something like that. And see this, two different concepts in this. I'll open this yellow color. Such a beautiful color matching. These are all skin friendly saris. The softness is so amazing. So this is the pallu part, and this comes with an exclusive. Color combinations are too good in this, and one more is this orange color. Then comes a set of another new different concept with the new combinations. All are without borders. So these look really simple, neat, but still the silk sari has its own richness, right? It has its own richness. And then comes this, see, once again the purple color. Why I'm opening each and every sari so that you guys can understand how the sari really looks. It's so simple, neat and elegant, subtle saris. And see this, combinations are really great, and whoever is looking for nice beautiful combinations can go for these. How beautiful. See, one more color is this and this. Lovely, all are lovely, pretty, beautiful colors. See this, navy blue with green. And then I wanted to open all the sarees. These 3 sarees are similar designs, but the colors are very different. That's what I wanted to open the color combination. See how pretty, and the flow itself, you can see how the flow is so good and fantastic. The flow is, once again, see, all are nice, different color combination. Bright, somebody can go for bright, somebody's taste will be light, somebody's taste will be posh. So however you want it, we have all collections in that. See what a beautiful color combination, and the concept is also so nice. I wanted to open each and every sari and show you guys, because you can understand how the sari looks and also the color combination. It's too pretty, the colors are, and the flow, see how the flow, I'm wearing this and posting all videos, and the flow is so nice. I don't feel like it's light and airy. See, the concept is so nice in this. The designs and the weaving pattern are so amazing. And color, what color do you want? This could be your episode, because lovely, fantastic colors we are showing it to you right now. So this is how it looks. Thank you all people from all over. Other states also started coming. So Shivani's boutique is becoming a cosmopolitan, where we are residing in down south Tirunelveli, which is near Kanyakumari. We all feel really excited when people say we come from here, we come from there, especially to your boutique. We feel really happy, and what to say, it gives a some feel cannot be said, it could only be felt. In that way we are awestruck. So this is my last sari, and the color combination, you can see how beautiful these are all. Whoever loves silk sarees, whoever loves to wear silk sarees day full, there are lots of people I know personally who love wearing silk sarees for the days. So for those people, this saree is the apt thing, because it's so lightweight and handloom and pure silk. Alright, hope guys you enjoyed seeing my show of pure silk sarees. We'll be back with lots and lots of new collections. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. Stay safe and bye bye.